Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check shows and presentations in the Busch Gardens application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the guide button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then scroll down and look for the shows and presentations section and click on the view all button. And as you can see, here are all the available shows and presentations for this day. So if you're interested in any of them, just click on that. And as you can see, the Keeper Talk alligators show is due within this time. It's located at the alligator habitat, and here's a little description on what this presentation or show will be about. And and you can also see the directions if you click on the directions button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.